Cook with love, unveiling the essence of heartfelt cooking. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore a delightful and heartwarming phrase in English: cook with love. This phrase isn't just about cooking. It's about the emotions and intentions behind the act. Let's dive in and understand why this phrase is so special and how it adds flavor not just to food, but to life. Cook with love is an expression that transcends the physical act of cooking. It suggests that when someone cooks, they do so with passion, care, and genuine emotion. This phrase emphasizes that the cook's feelings can influence the quality and taste of the food. It's a reminder that cooking is not just a chore, but an art form and a way of expressing affection. When you cook with love, it's believed that the food not only tastes better but also carries a certain warmth and comfort. This section will explore how cooking with a positive and caring attitude can affect everyone who eats the meal, creating memorable experiences and strengthening relationships. Across different cultures, cooking with love is valued and practiced. We'll look at how various cultures incorporate love into their cooking traditions and how this phrase is universally understood to signify the importance of putting your heart into what you make. Cooking with love isn't just a theory. It can be practiced in everyday life. This section will provide practical tips on how to infuse love into your cooking, such as using fresh ingredients, cooking for others, and enjoying the process. These tips are aimed at enhancing both the flavor of the food and the joy of cooking. Thank you for joining me in exploring the beautiful concept of cook with love. Remember, when you cook, you're not just preparing a meal, but you're also weaving emotions and care into each dish. I hope this video inspires you to cook with all your heart and share the joy of delicious, lovingly prepared meals. Until next time, happy cooking!